Oh, they tricked me. Hey everyone, it's me again, and today we have my Sephora Play Box for June 2018. I just got it. For some reason, we're getting them really late right now, so I just got mine, but I was really excited to open it, and I knew I couldn't open it without you guys. So let's dig in, because I only have a few minutes. It always comes with a flyer, and it's got all sorts of stuff on it. Beauty Boardwalk is the theme, which is very cool. It reminds me of California, Venice Beach, Santa Cruz. It tells you what is in it in the back. I haven't looked at it, so we're not gonna look at that yet. The bag is very cute. It's got this kind of 80s, like neon kind of theme. I kind of remember actually when I was little, I had these neon palm tree, like blow up pink palm trees, and I wanted my entire room like that. So this is kind of reminiscent of that. So I'm actually really liking the bag. I don't normally like these bags, but I really like this one just because it's just nostalgic. So let's start off with what is in here first. Marajo shampoo and conditioner. Oh, it's a nourishing cleansing cream and deep treatment butter. Marajo is a brand that I have heard of, and it's a really good brand. With my hair being as processed as it is, I'm actually really enjoying getting hair products in boxes lately. So we're gonna try this out. I'm not a big fan of foil packs, but they are really good for travel. So I will try this out. Probably stick it in my travel bag, and next time I go somewhere, which will be very soon, I can use it. Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Oh, nice. Contains revolutionary cumulative hydration release technology, instantly binds moisture to skin, and increases retention up to 5 days. I really love this brand, Murad. I'm kind of partial to it, so I'm excited about this. Let's see how big the pack inside is. Oh, they tricked me. Here's the little thing. It's a adequate size. Actually, it's pretty full to the top too. It smells very clean and very good. So, digging that. I actually am really happy that I received that today. A tubey thing. Oh, cool. Makeup remover, Clinique makeup remover. It's got a slight oil to it, which is good for taking off eye makeup. So that's cool. It's a good size. This looks like it's what, about 1 ounce. So this is a nice size for trying it out and not just getting one shot out of it. I'm sure I can get probably about a week worth of makeup removing out of that. I feel 3 more things in here. Verb Sea Spray. Verb is a great brand. I love this brand. I have seen it at Sephora. I've had some of the products. Sea Spray right now is just so good for summer. It makes your hair nice and wavy and makes it feel like you've been at the beach all day. So I'm very, very excited about that. It smells like the beach. It smells really nice. So far this bag is just like nice. Nice job, Sephora, because last month it was not good. So we have 2 more things in here. Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I think I have some of this. Yeah, I've got this bottle, this one in one from last year, but that one's not my color. This one looks more like my color, which is nice. Oh, sweet, it's got the little pumpy thing. Hey, sirs, what's up? So this is a nice light, thin coverage, which is nice. It's very, very liquidy. See it dripping. That definitely gives a very nice light glow to the skin, which is really cool. We got one more, and it feels like, yes, it is Melted by Too Faced, and this is in the color Queen Bee, which is one of their more popular colors. It's a very pinky pink color, and I really like the melted lippies. I think they're very cool. I have several of them. This is a nice size, so I'm really happy with that. Let's try it on. All right, I took my lipstick off, and let's see how this looks. Here's how it looks on, and I don't hate it. it's drying down pretty well as the melted mats do, and so it will be transfer proof once it is dry. Yeah, it's pretty transfer proof right now, so that's pretty good. So there you have it. That is the Sephora Playbox for June 2018. Overall, I am very happy with everything. Last month was not a good month for my Sephora box, but this month I'm kind of loving it. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you again next time. Bye.